Hi, my name is Güzden Varinlioğlu. I'm a visiting scholar at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Our project Silk is about creating an online platform for the preservation and presentation of cultural heritage. As the name implies, the project is about the Silk Roads, or more specifically, it's about the building type called caravanserais. Caravansarais are roadside inns, usually along the trade roads. The architectural heritage is going through a decline through the climate change, through the urban expansion, and through some kind of ignorance by local people. Public awareness and public outreach of this project is a very inspiring part of our project, because we were not only visiting the sites as foreigners to collect information, but also we have been interacting with locals, and we were teaching our techniques and our technologies to local people so that they become aware of their own heritage that they live in. Through these models and 360 images, we are planning to have an immersive experience where you will have your headsets, the virtual reality headsets, and you will be able to experience these spaces as if you have been there. And through the MIT platform, we will be displaying our models and all the other images so that we can reach a wider public. We have been doing 2 fieldworks this year. Overall, we covered 26 caravanserais along the road. It was a very inspiring point for us to work on Islamic architecture, and more specifically to this Anatolian Selçuklu time and the networks of these Silk Roads. It was a very important stage in our research. And of course, when we are talking about the virtual experience and immersive experiences, we have been working on some gamification of the cultural heritage. We believe that the gamification is a very important subject, especially in the serious game category. In the past, we designed a board game on the Silk Roads. Another one was a caravansaray game that happened to be in 360 environment. And we are planning to add more gamification elements in the future.